Initially, I thought that there was a specific person who really fit the image of a firefighter. In my eyes, it was someone who's sort of an adrenaline junkie. And since coming here, I've realized that it's not necessarily true. Anybody can do this job with the right mentor.
Just recently got on with Cowlitz too, and before that I was volunteering for roughly a year and a half. I found myself wanting to be part of this community. I'm born and raised here.
I'm originally from Brazil, and I came to the US mainly to play basketball first. And then once I was done, I knew I wanted to do something related to being the first person to someone that is in distress.
So the path that I chose, I did want to become a career firefighter. I was completely changing where I was going in life. I went to Cowlitz County EMT, took their class, and that was run by mostly Cowlitz 2 folks. A few months after getting my EMT, they were doing a volunteer academy, went right into that, and been volunteering for close to 2 years before applying for Cowlitz 2 and getting hired.
Once you become a volunteer, we have to put in 36 hours every quarter. So it's pretty much just one 12-hour shift each month. You get to come be part of the team.
I knew that this is where I wanted to go, and the more I got involved, the more I wanted to be involved.
By the time you apply, everybody knows you. You know everybody, you know if you like the department or not. You already gave back to the community a little bit.
The career staff, it felt like they took me in, like I was able to root in and start growing here, and I feel like there's 20 years here for me.
It's a very competitive position to be a career firefighter, but at the same time, there's so many other things that you can do to increase your chances. But when the time comes for you to apply, you can have your EMT done, you can have some experience, and that's where volunteering comes in.
I truly believe that being a volunteer is what got me a career in the fire service. It's the only way I would have been able to get firsthand experience. You're actually there working as a team. You get to use that in a real world application.
You're always a student of something. You know, you never feel like you're stale in the fire service and as a volunteer.
If you were to look at a fire that's currently going on, you would not be able to tell who is a career person and who is a volunteer. We train you to do the same job at the same level. If you are considering this as a career, ride-alongs are a perfect opportunity for you to come sit backseat next to firefighters and see their day-to-day. You know, waking up, having the morning coffee with the crew, going into workouts, rig checks, and running calls. Coming to do a ride-along will give you a quick snapshot of whether or not you like the camaraderie, everything that's going on. And then if you do like that, then absolutely come sign up to be a volunteer, because then you get the actual hands-on experience. We allow you to do the things that you just saw during your ride-along. As long as you are driven, motivated, and willing to work hard, you can do this job.